Welcome. In this video I will show you how to limit charging to save battery on your ASUS ROG Xbox Li X. First, press the Xbox button and then select your Armory Crate application. Wait until it's opened and then open the Settings tab right here in the top left corner of the screen. Then go to Battery Care, and to limit your battery charging, switch this toggle to the right. This way you will limit your charging to 80% to reduce long-term battery wear. So this way your device will serve you much more without the need of battery, much longer without need to replace your battery. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.